So we're here at Pink Beach, Zamboanga City. So magta-try tayo magtimpla ngayon ng collagen. Right? So we have this sip back and smile bottle. So nilagyan na namin siya ng water. Thank you, Yusana. So open na natin siya. Alright. And lalagyan natin siya ng half scoop of collagen. So lagay na tayo. Okay. Siyempre, one for me and one for Sauko. So hindi natin ma-sure kung sand na ba ang nalalagay natin. Or itong pink sand na or itong collagen. Sobrang pino kasi ng collagen powder. Na sobrang ganda. So, of course, collagen for the skin, collagen for the hair, the nails, collagen. Okay, shake na natin. So, we've been using this collagen for siguro mga more than 1 month. Mag-1 month na din. Sobrang ganda ng skin ko, no? Iba yung glow, pati yung aking hair, iba rin, no? So, cheers na tayo. Let's have a cheers. Super refreshing, no? So, mainit. So, perfect na perfect. Ubusin namin to later and